Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this integral substitution are solved quickly by following the right steps. Let's find the value of this function together now. First, use U-Substitution for the integral. Let u equal 3x minus 2. This means the derivative du equals 3 dx, or dx is du divided by 3. Next, we must change our integration limits to match u. When x is 1, u becomes 3 times 1 minus 2, which is 1. This keeps our lower bound exactly the same. When x is 2, u becomes 4. Substituting everything back gives 1/3 of the integral from 1 to 4, so the total is 3a. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and trust given values to avoid a rush.